1954 Buick Special Sedan. The model 41D in the Buick lineup of 1954. And of course, in 1954, this car was completely remodeled. Top to bottom, front to back. Larger, roomier, lower roof lines, lower, sleeker. Big deal back in 1954. This particular car, still powered by a 264 cubic inch Fireball V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with the optional Dynaflow automatic transmission. Let you take a look at this iconic Buick front end with that waterfall grille. Take a look at the headlights, surrounds, chrome. Now, as far as paint on this car, it does show a few imperfections here and there. We've kind of left it just the way it is. A little patina look to it. Original color of the car was ocean mist green, so still very similar. Has had a repaint along the way. Interior would have been light gray cloth interior. It's kind of now got a black and gray cloth vinyl combination to it. Check out the still pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about, the interior, the underside, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. It appears this car spent the majority of its life in Iowa. That's where the last registration was. And I also noticed there's a registration card that they would have had back in the 70s in Iowa. Actually from Winterset, which would be the county seat of Madison County. A little trivia. It's where the Clint Eastwood movie Bridges of Madison County was filmed at, also a hometown to John Wayne, where John Wayne was born, birthplace. Now, as far as trade-ins, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you take a look at the chrome and bright work in the rear. It does show it's aged some, but again, it kind of goes with that look and age of the car where you got a little patina to it. Thing kind of looks like it came right out of the 50s. Very, very cool look. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Buick Special would have been the bang for the buck car back in 1954, where you could still have the quality of the Buick without the high price tag. And again, bright work, looks nice on this car. Paint does show well. Again, it's an older paint job. Yeah, it shows its age a little bit, but once again, those are the look of the car. Seat belts have been added, so you got grandkids, friends want to ride with. Seat belts in the rear as well as the front, and now you can kind of see that black gray combination. As far as the door panels, I've been looking at these. I'm not so sure that those may not be original door panels on the car yet. Sure look like they could be. It's original dash. Here's that copy of the registration. I remember having those growing up. Grew up in Iowa myself. Remember those are my grandparents' steering columns. Headliner looks good. Of course, the foot pedal start. Let's check this out. Now the key goes back to the left here to turn it on. And we are in park. Let's go ahead and push the foot pedal. And the car starts right up. It appears to be original underneath the dash there also, if you take a look at that. Alright, let me show you something. There's the Buick Special dash. As far as gauges, amp gauge works, gas gauge comes up, oil pressure gauge, and I'm assuming that temp gauge is going to come up with temperature of the engine. It looks like all the gauges do work. And let's take a look at this. Look at the old style. I believe these would be vacuum wipers. Work great. And off. One thing I did not get the radio to power up. So I did not have the radio working on this car. Horn works. Horn works good. Now you'll be able to check out the copy of the, or check out a picture, I should say, of the data tag, which is up on the cowl. Also be a picture of the VIN plate if you want to see that in the still pictures. Let's slip around and listen to that Fireball V8 running, 264. Just the way you'd expect it to sound. Very cool. Nice running car. You can see how easily it started. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. We'll check out that engine bay after this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we are. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Look at how smooth that runs. The thing's not shaking whatsoever. Just sitting in that engine bay purring away. Wow. Heater hoses and everything still hooked up. That's something else you wanted to mention. The fans did work. Fan switches in the car would power up. Hear the blower fan going. What a cool kind of timepiece. Want a fun one without breaking the bank? Here you go, 1954 Buick Special Sedan. Phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.